For every 2 teaspoons of white vinegar in a jar of homemade glue, there are 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. How many teaspoons of white vinegar are there for every tablespoon of cornstarch? Okay, so I see a ratio relationship with this word for every. I see 2 teaspoons of white vinegar and 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. How many teaspoons of white vinegar are there for every tablespoon of cornstarch? So at this point, if you don't have a yellow highlighter or you didn't highlight this on your test, I see a P word, and we always P on our tests, and then we label it 1. Right after we P, we make our ratio table. So the 2 things in this problem that are being compared are white vinegar, so I'm going to call that WV, and then cornstarch, which I'm just going to label corn. It says for every 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, there are 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay? Can you now please put where you think the 1 should go in this ratio table? Go ahead and put it now. Alright, if you put it here, you were correct, which means this is N. There's a few ways to solve this problem. I always like to use cross multiplication. So 5 times N equals 2 times 1, and if you can't do 2 times 1, that's a problem. Next, we recopy the N, and we know since this is attached by multiplication, over here we're going to do division like that. A lot of kids get confused when they see 2 divided by 5, but that is very simply 2/5. You don't do get off my back. All you do is look for the right answer. N equals 2/5. So the answer to this problem was letter B.